Morning dear students, topic of the day is Roman numerals. As you know, we are writing the number. This number is called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. And in European countries, Roman numerals are also in the concept. Many places are there where still these numbers are using, like on the clock, books and writing the classes. So today we will discuss on the Roman numerals. Actually Roman numerals are used by some symbols. I will take some symbols like Roman numerals, and we have like this way: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these are some symbols. Actually they are 7 in numbers. This is called I, this is called V, this is called X, this is called L, this is called C, this is called D, this is called M. Now what are their values in Indian system? It is 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for used for 1000. These numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. And the relations are, what are the values? I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. These Roman numbers you have learned from your smaller classes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 also. So this is not new for you, because in earlier classes I hope you have learned properly. In case you don't know it, today I will discuss on this topic. There are some rules which have to be followed. Rule number 1. In the Roman numerals, some digits are repeated. Some digits are repeated. Repeated digits. This is I, this is X, this is C and this is M. So remember, we can repeat these digits maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. How? I plus I plus I. How much it become? 3. If we have only 2 times, I means it is 2 only. If 1 time only, this value is only 1. So I will take another number. Value of this X is 10. 2 times 20, 3 times 30. We can repeat this. Now taking another symbol, C means 100, CC means 200, CCC means 300. Taking symbol M, the value of M is 1000. Taking M 2 times become 2000. taking m up to 3 times become 3000. So you can see that we can repeat only 4 digits in the Roman system: I, X, C and M. Now rule number 2. Rule 2. If a symbol of smaller value is written, listen carefully, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, is added to its value to the greater symbol. How? Look at the example. Suppose that if we take 5, value of 5 in Roman, if value is 5, if we write this symbol like this way, this becomes 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Since we can repeat this I like this way, it becomes 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 become 8. Similarly, X is a symbol. If we write the smaller symbol on the right hand side, it become added. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So you can see that if the number is greater and we keep the smaller number to the right hand side of the given number, it become added. Taking some more examples, value of C is 100. Value of C is 100 as I have told you earlier. If we write C and taking symbol X, C means 100 and X means 10, so value become 110. In the same way, C, L, X. Now these are the greater number, so C means 100, L means 50 and X means 10. After adding the number 150 plus 10, 160. One more example, taking MCC. What is the value of MCC? 1 M gives us 1000 plus 100 plus 100. Totaling the number, it becomes 1200, 100. So you have seen that if we have the smaller number to the right side of the greater number, it is added. Now taking rule number 3. Taking rule number 3. Rule number 3. The rule number 3 is that when we have greater number and we keep the smaller number to the left hand side, number has been subtracted. For example, this is symbol for 5. If we write here I, so it become minus. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. As I have told you, if we keep the number this side, suppose that this is 5, if we keep the number this side, this become added, and the number is 5 is here, and keeping the smaller number 1 here, this become minus. So 5 minus 1, it is 4. So I hope you have understood properly. Similarly, I will take some another example. Symbol X, value is 10. Now symbol X and the symbol I, what is the value? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 gives 9. And again we are taking C, value of C is, as you know, 100. Now C and keep the smaller number x here, so it become subtracted. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Hello students, now in the Roman number rule number 4, there are few symbols which are never repeated. What are the symbols? I will write here their names, like V, L and D are never repeated. Never repeated. Remember, V, L and D are never repeated. For example, writing V one time, value is 5, correct. Writing L, value will be 50. Writing D, value will be 500. But now I will repeat the number VV. So this means this is wrong. If you write more time also, it is wrong. In the same way, L also wrong. D all wrong. Wrong way. So remember, according to the rule 4, V, L and D are never. I will write some Hindu Arabic numerals, then I will write their numeral in Romans. Suppose that 36, 45, 86, 95, 105. Now how to write 36 in the Roman numerals? Now look here. We can also break the number 30 plus 6 like this way. 30 x can be used 10, 20, 30 and 6 can be written like this way, 5 plus 1, 36. Another number 45. First break the number. We can write the 45 by 40 plus 5. Now 40, how to make 40? First we will write symbol L. If we write x here, it is subtracted, so it becomes 40 plus 5 and this is the symbol for 5. Again 86. Break the number 86. 80 plus 6. Now how can we write 80? This is the symbol for 50, 60, 70, 80 plus 6, 516. Taking another example, 95. First we use symbol C for 100 and write here x and it is subtracted. It become 90. First I will break the number. Leave this. 95. 90 plus 5. First of all, I write the number C and write here x. It become 90. Then we have to add 5 and this is the symbol 5. Clear? Another number 105. 100 plus 5. Breaking the number. Symbol C used for 100 and 5. Taking some more long numbers. 205. 200 plus 5. C means 100. 2C means 200 plus 5. Now 368. 368. How can we write 300? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 60 plus 8 also. We can use 3C. C. It become 300 plus 60, 50 plus x become 60 plus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 350, 68. Now the whole number converted into Roman numbers. Again 475. 475. We can break the number 400 plus 70 plus 5. How can we write this? We use symbol D for 500 and writing here C for subtraction. Now it becomes 400 then 70. How can we write 70? This is 50, 60, 70 plus 5 become 75. Now taking some more numbers like this way. 1436. For 1000 we can write M, as you know. For 400 this become 400 then 36 like this way. 2650, 2650. Now 1000, 2000 and this is 500, adding C becomes 600 then 50. 1000, 2000, 500, 2500 and C 2600 plus 50 become 2000.